gonna pass.
Thank you. Ooh, don't tell me that.
Hey, hold on. I need to do this. Don't hit your dance part on the dance floor, man.
Mom, Brady, over here.
Great.
There you go.
Okay. Monty, are you ready?
Sing it!
And I say